different, and I've just bought this mid-terrace house, which at the moment is completely empty, so I thought I'd give you all a tour.
As you enter through the front door, there is a hallway with a lovely arch with nice details. The first door on the right leads into what will be the living room. This currently has a small fireplace, which I'm hoping can be made much bigger so I can fit an electric log burner style fire in there. The next right off the hall is the dining room, which unfortunately doesn't have a fireplace, but it does have a nice big window looking over the garden. Through the dining room is the kitchen. I love that this is a much bigger kitchen than my previous house, and I'm excited to fit a cute little bistro table in the gap on the left. This room needs quite a bit of renovation, but should be usable for now. Off the kitchen is a small passageway where the back door is, and here is the only bathroom of the property. I'm looking to do a quick makeover on this room first, as it's not in too bad shape, and means we can then use it whilst doing up some of the other rooms. Going upstairs, I have 3 bedrooms. The first one you come to is the very back bedroom. If you saw my previous house, this is where the bathroom was, and I'm debating how to fit a bathroom upstairs without compromising bedrooms. Also in this bedroom is currently the boiler in that cupboard, and I might be thinking about some sort of small bathroom in there. Next is the middle bedroom, which isn't in too bad shape, apart from, as all the other rooms in this house, it has textured walls and ceilings, which I'm going to be testing for asbestos. On the landing there is this very useful cupboard, and then on the front of the house is the huge master bedroom, which I'm also considering adding another window, depending on costs and planning permission, because it's at the front of the house and looks over the road. Finally, here's a little glimpse of the garden. It's not massive and it needs a bit of work, but I'm sure I'll show you more of that another day.
I hope you all enjoyed it and look forward to seeing what I do with it. I haven't got any definite plans, so if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. I'm excited to get started and tackle the main issues. So first on my list is to get new windows and doors. I need to sort the damp issues out. I need some new sockets in most rooms. I need new sockets, and I need plastering done everywhere to get rid of the Artex. I also need to start thinking about where I want the bathroom, as I will need a frosted window for that room. So I need to figure out what room and how I'm configuring the bathroom. That's all for now. I hope you'll follow along to see my journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye!